In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Word for free in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to edit a PDF or reuse its content in a document, converting it to a Word file is the fastest way to get there. We'll walk through a simple workflow inside Adobe Acrobat, and I'll share a few tips to help you get clean, editable results. First, open Adobe Acrobat, give it a moment to load, and make sure the PDF you want to convert is open on your screen. If you've got multiple PDFs open, click the tab for the one you want to work with so it's active. Take a quick glance to confirm everything looks right. Pages are in order, and any images or tables you care about are visible. Next, look toward the top of the window for the Convert option. Depending on your version, it may appear in the toolbar or as part of a menu. Click it to open the export choices. This is where you tell Acrobat which type of file you want to create. From the list of formats, choose Microsoft Word. This sets Acrobat to build a Word document from your PDF's text, images, and layout. If your original PDF was created digitally, this usually preserves formatting very well. If it's a scan, Acrobat will attempt to recognize text automatically so you can edit it in Word. Now select the option to convert to DOCX. The DOCX format is the modern Word standard and gives you better compatibility, smaller file sizes, and improved formatting support compared to older formats. This choice helps maintain fonts, headings, and paragraph structure so you spend less time cleaning up the result. When the Save dialog appears, browse to the folder where you want to store the converted file. Choose a destination you can find easily, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. If you like, update the file name to something descriptive so it's clear this is your editable version. Keeping your originals and converted files organized will save time later. Finally, click Save. Acrobat will process the PDF and create your Word document in the background. On most systems, the new file is ready within a few seconds, though larger or image-heavy PDFs can take longer. Once it's done, open the Word file and give it a quick review. Check headings, lists, and any tables or images, and make minor adjustments as needed. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat, use the Convert option at the top, choose Microsoft Word, select DOCX, pick your save location, and click Save. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you convert your PDFs quickly and accurately.